Oh yeah, winter's coming. Time for a gumbo. Today, I'm making an easy chicken, sausage, and Tasso gumbo. Let's get started. I'm using some store-bought roux, Savoie. I'll leave a link. And if you want to make your roux, I'll leave a card at the top. You can check that one out too. Alright, 4 heaping tablespoons, about 1/3 of a jar. It's probably 4 ounces. We want to get this in 6 quarts of boiling water. Stir it around, make sure it's dissolved. You don't want it to stick to the bottom and get some little burnt black bits in your gumbo. So we're going to let that cook about 5 minutes. Get the flour taste out. Then I'm going to go over here and dice up an onion and bell pepper while we wait. There it is. Bam. Alright. Now we back. Look at that roux already. It's only been 5 minutes. Now it's time to season it. I'll be using some Jamie Bazeron's RCA. It's just another Cajun seasoning. You could use Tony Chachere's, make your own, slap your mama, anything you want. 1 tablespoon into the pot. We're just going to cook that down, let it dissolve. Stir it all in. Look how pretty. Now it's time for them veggies. Everybody in the pool. Doesn't matter if you can swim. Get in the pool. Alright, we're going to stir this around, bring it back up to a low rolling ball while we go cut up some meat. I'm using Tasso, smoked pork butt. It's heavily marinated. It's cured. You can eat it just like this. It's like really like a pork jerky. It's cooked enough, but it's full of flavor. So we'll dice that up in bite-sized pieces, and then we could start on the sausage. Today I bought some Andouille, another smoked sausage. So we'll dice that up too. Check out how pretty that is. Look at the seasoning on the inside of the meat inside before they cased it. Look at that stuff. Flavor, flavor, flavor. Get this back in a little tray, and time to get in the pot. Sausage and Tasso. Now we cooking. I want to bring this back up to a low boil. Cook that for a few minutes. There you go. That's the ball you want right there. Alright, we're going to cook this about 20 minutes while we get the chicken ready. It's all pre-seasoned, marinated. And there you go. Chicken is ready. Alright, we're going to add this in the pot. It's probably going to take about 30 minutes. This chicken will be falling apart. While we're doing that, we're going to get the rice ready. Y'all remember these old rice pots? Ha! Make sure y'all clean your rice too. Set it, forget it. There we go. Now let's start on this potato salad. A couple of potatoes, some eggs, cut them up, throw them in a pot, boil them for about 20 minutes till they fork tender. Drain them off, rinse them off a little bit. Try to drain all that water out of there. Let's get started. Peel your eggs, drop them in, get the potato mash out. Makes it easy. Look at that, look at that. That's the way you do that fast. No messing around. And don't forget to use the best mayonnaise in the world too. We use about 2 heaping spoons and a little mustard on. We're gonna mix that up. Salt to taste. And then let it sit while we check on the meat. Alright, we've been going about 30 minutes now. I can see the meat's done. Some of it's falling apart. You can usually tell on the chicken legs. I think they're the ones that fall apart first. The skin's gone. Oh yeah, that's good. So we're going to turn this pot off. And now we're going to wait on the rice. There we go. Time to make a plate. The payoff. I know some of y'all remember these old plates too. All right. Get a little meat in there. Chicken, sausage, tasso, and a bunch of that juice. Look at that juice, how thick and rich that is. That's good right there. You ought to smell it in here. Lord. All right. We're almost done. And don't forget, potato salad goes in the bowl, not on the side. We don't need to dirty another dish. Plus, you want to taste that creamy potato salad with that gumbo. Time for the filet. I like filet, so I use a little much, but you can use it however you want, or not at all. And it wouldn't be gumbo without some pickled molletons. That's just some pickled vegetable pears, chayote squash, some peppers in it, vinegar. So I'm gonna slice a couple of these up. Be like little flavor bombs in your mouth when you hit one. They're not too peppered. Very good though. And it wouldn't be right if we didn't add a little bit of that spicy vinegar in there. It kind of breaks up that fat, savory flavor. All right, let's mix this up. Uh-oh, forgot the green onions again. I always forget garnish. But here we go, just to make it pretty. Now we can eat. Let's taste this. Look at that thick gravy. Piece of tasso. Look at that thing. Oh yeah, tender, falling apart good. Let's taste that gravy. Oh, good. A little potato salad. Creamy. Yes, this is what you want to eat. Look at that chicken falling apart tender. Come back over here. I'll get you a bite with some sausage. There you go. Look at it. Oh my God. All right, that's it. Time for me to turn this camera off and finish this bowl. I want to thank everybody for watching. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that red button and click that bell to see what I'll be cooking next. Also, I'll leave links below. The store I bought this meat from does ship, and I'll leave a link for the Roux. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all next time.